It was all up my legs. I had a wet bum. I'm absolutely filthy.
Good morning.
Because I've got somebody that rang up this morning at 8 o'clock. They want to come down and have a look at that one.
Yeah, you've been up to no good, haven't you, while I've been away?
Been up to no good?
Yeah.
Subscribe now.
Yeah, so I'm thinking. BMW.
Yep.
EcoBoost. Badge, not the cars.
Me.
And you. See, how come I turn that in bed? Bing dong. So I'm thinking like that. What do you reckon?
Maybe. We'll give it a go. I'll put it together and we'll
have a look.
See if we need to make any changes we can, can't we?
Okay. What about the title then? So a close call with an EcoBoost.
Yeah, I think so.
Is that good enough?
Or you could actually put lucky site escape EcoBoost problems.
Remember, you've got EcoBoost and BMW up there. Lucky escape, and you're like, so that's done. Don't change that. We was right first time. It's the title that needs to change. Well, I'll call it that for now until I save it. Anyway, good morning everyone. It is Friday morning. We're all happy today, aren't we?
Happy.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining me.
And we've got some lovely weather out there, and Felix has just turned up.
Felix the cat.
Yeah.
He does what you do, but he turns
it off and rolls to a stop.
Yeah.
Bad habit that.
You
Real
do
bad
it all
habit.
the time.
What's the betting that he's got a Starbucks?
Do you only have an orange juice for Sarah?
Will he have a Starbucks for Greg? I doubt it very much.
Well done.
Definitely not. But I bet he's got one himself. Do you know he hasn't been to bed last night?
No.
He's been up all night putting that engine in the van.
So he hasn't been to sleep?
So he hasn't been to sleep.
Let's see how he's feeling today.
Yeah, he hasn't even got a coffee.
Shh, you won't know we're on camera.
Oh yeah. Pretend to be asleep.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
Felix, how are you?
I'm
Just
alright.
heard that you had a sleepless night.
I slept for 2 hours on the floor.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I slept for 2 hours. Have you ever seen the Einstein thing where you go hold a key in your hand for like a power nap? And
No.
the keys should wake you up when you drop them because you fall asleep.
Is that what happened?
Oh,
No, it
yeah,
don't
yeah.
fucking work. You're
Oh, I see
supposed to
what you
like
mean.
fall
Yeah,
asleep
yeah,
for
yeah,
5 seconds and then wake up.
Yeah.
I don't
They dropped them.
What he's saying is, if you hold your keys in your hand and you fall asleep, you drop the keys wake you up. Right, so we've got Felix here again today. He's doing a little job on a VW Caddy starter motor, which is round here.
Not the best working conditions, but
It's not the best working conditions, but he may as well do it while it's here. So he's got a new starter. Customer's bought a starter, and he's going to bench test the old one just to make sure that it is actually that's the problem. So here he goes.
Yeah.
You know what we should have used for this? The top down.
Top down.
Yeah, top down jump pack.
Yeah, pull it out.
Shall I go and get it? So if you don't know already, our videos are sponsored by Top Don, and Top Don have kindly sent us a JS2000 jump pack, which is available in the link in the description below this video. So let's see if we can do a bench test with a JS2000.
Oh bloody hell, comes with a load as well.
Yeah, light. You've got your, you've got some USBs. You've got a few little bits and bobs on there. You can charge it up. Hopefully it's got enough charge to do it. Yeah, it's still on 3 bars. So let's see this spin off. Well, that's it then. Well, thanks for the experience.
'Cause you know the world is beautiful.
Good morning all. It is Monday morning on the car pitch. I have got to quickly go and pick up the grey Fiat 500 that went in to have the few little niggly dents done. Because I've got somebody that rang up this morning at 8 o'clock. They want to come down and have a look at that one. So I've got to quickly go and pick it up, get it back here, get it all tidied up. And then we've got the customer coming down just after 12 o'clock. So that's my morning planned out. So I've got picking up at 10. I've literally got 15 minutes to get there. And then I'm on the job to clean it up. So let's go, you can come with me today. Right, let's head off to get the grey Fiat 500. It's not far away. It's only about a 10-minute drive away, so we haven't got long. We'll go and see what it looks like. Fiat 500 now. You know what we're like. If it needs doing, then we'll do it. There was only a few little dinks. I think Greg showed you around and pointed out which bits we were having done. I've got my bucket and sponge. I'm going to give it a quick wash, get it all back to shiny condition, and we'll wait for the customer to come at 12.
Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful.
And look at that, all done.
Can't hide how I feel about you, nothing can take that away. Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
So you're quite excited, aren't you?
Me?
Yeah, you've been up to no good, haven't you, while I've been away?
Been up to no good?
Yeah.
I've been... Look at that one.
Well done.
Look at that one.
Well done. Very well done.
Two.
So you've done 2 in a couple of days?
Couple of days.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I had Jay that came down this morning who wanted to look at the grey Fiat 500 for his daughter.
Yeah.
He came down. I'd got it ready and give it a little clean.
A mini prep.
A mini little valet.
And he was
Left
happy?
the deposit, left, yeah, happy. Watches the... You didn't realise at the time, but obviously you do a bit of research when you're from a garage. And then realised obviously we did the YouTube channel, so he's been watching some of the videos.
Oh well,
So
there you go.
thanks for supporting the channel.
Fair play. So, I mean, this is a nice car, isn't it?
It is very nice.
We've had a few comments on this one, and there was meant to be somebody coming down this week to have a look at this as well, which I didn't tell you about. It was one of Felix's customers who has asked him to look for a Fiat 500.
Yeah, Felix said earlier, but I mean, we've got this one. I need to give this one.
I think they wanted this one. They wanted this one, but I mean, that is a nice one, isn't it? You can't knock it, but it's different to that one. If that's the kind of thing you're after, that's the kind of thing you're after.
Yeah.
So, congratulations anyway, sir.
Thank you very much, Greg. What have you been doing?
I've just been busy today doing other things, odds and ends. So,
Okay.
well, we was going to go to auction tonight, weren't we? Is that odd?
hurt my bum.
We was
And I
gonna.
had a flipping fight with the hose pipe earlier. The end blew off and it went all everywhere. It
Yeah.
was all up my legs. I had a wet bum. I'm absolutely filthy. Don't know why.
So you had a fight with the hose pipe.
Had a fight with the hose pipe and managed to get myself all mucky.
Oh dear.
But two van sold, car sold.
It's
can't
worth
moan,
it,
can
isn't it?
you?
Yeah. Outweighs the good things outweigh the
And
bad.
it's been that hot today. I've had to hose my feet with
It's
cold
been
water.
it's been scorching, isn't it?
Yeah.
Absolutely
I
scorching.
mean, if I turn it round, I'm going to turn it round on Greg today because you're all hot and bothered, aren't you?
Yeah, I've had enough today. Really have.
We still need to go and pick the car up.
Right, looks like it's going to be another hot one tomorrow, so we're going to get an early night, get up and get back here and get all the stuff done. Once again, I'd like to thank everyone for watching and all the subscribers, because we have had another load more over the weekend. So it is all appreciated, it doesn't go amiss. And drop us a comment, let us know how you got on in the week and how you enjoying the sun. And we'll see you on the next one.